Hello everyone, today I'll tell you how to increase actual image width or height without stretching or causing any damage to your image. So without any delay, let's start. Select your layer and rasterize it first. Select rectangular marquee tool and select the area that you want to expand, whether the height or the width of your image. Just hold Command Shift while selecting so that you could apply effects on both sides just in one click. Now go to Edit, Fill and Content Aware tool and hit OK. There you go. Thank you for watching.